How do immigrants renew an expiring work permit? Imagine you're working hard in the United States and suddenly realize your work permit is about to expire. What's the next step to keep your job and stay in the country legally? Well, renewing your work permit is a straightforward process, but it's important to do it right and on time. Let's walk through how you can renew your work permit smoothly. First, it's best to start the renewal process early. Experts recommend submitting your application at least 90 days before your current work permit expires. This way, you avoid any gaps in your employment authorization while waiting for approval. Waiting too long could cause delays or even interruptions in your ability to work legally. The main form you need to fill out is called Form I-765, which is the application for employment authorization. You can file this form online through the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services website or by mailing it in. Filing online is usually faster and gives you immediate confirmation that your application was received. Make sure to keep a copy of your confirmation receipt. Along with Form I-765, you will need to gather supporting documents. These include a copy of your current work permit, both front and back, proof of your identity, and any specific documents related to your immigration status. For example, if you are an asylum seeker, you must have filed your asylum application at least 150 days before applying for a work permit. You will also need to pay a filing fee, which varies depending on your category. The fee can be paid with a credit or debit card if you file online, or with a money order or check if you mail your application. Starting late in the year 2025, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services will limit payment options, so check the latest instructions before you apply. Some applicants may qualify for fee waivers if they meet certain criteria. When your application is ready, submit it either by mail or online. If mailing, organize your documents neatly, avoid staples, and use paper clips to keep everything together. If you are filing online, scan all your documents and upload them carefully. Double-check that all information is correct before submitting. In some cases, you might qualify for an automatic extension of your current work permit. If you filed your renewal application on time and meet certain conditions, such as having temporary protected status, your work authorization can be extended for up to 540 days. This means you can keep working while waiting for your new permit to arrive. After submitting your application, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services will review it and send you a receipt notice. Processing times can take several months, so it's good to keep copies of all your documents and notices. You can also monitor your application status online if you filed electronically. If your renewal is approved, a new work permit card will be mailed to the address you provided. It's very important to keep your address updated with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services during this process to avoid delays in receiving your new permit. Renewing your work permit on time is key to maintaining your employment and supporting your family. Planning ahead, gathering all required documents, and following the instructions carefully will help make the process easier. Remember, some immigrants may seek help from legal professionals or community organizations if they face language barriers or need assistance with paperwork. Staying organized and informed makes all the difference in ensuring your work authorization continues without interruption.